Hi, first graders. Okay, today we are going to work with some of our takeaway strategies or our subtraction strategies. So first off, I'm going to grab you guys some blocks. Okay, so right now in my hand, I want you to think about how many blocks I have, which is 6. Okay, and if I'm asking you, what is 3 less than 6? How would I figure that out? 3 less than 6. We've been working with 3 more than, now 3 less than. So think about that. What would 3 less than 6 be? Do you have my answer? Okay, so if I were to take 3 off, that would be 3 less. Less means I'm going to take something away. It means it's going to be smaller. So if I had 6 and I had 3 less, my answer would be 3. Let's try that again. Okay, if I have this many blocks this time, count them up, and I have how many blocks? Okay, this time, what would 2 less than 7 be? So I had 7 blocks. What would 2 less be? So think about that. And 2 less would be 5. So if I take my 2 off, and then I have this many left. So I had 7, 2 less, I'm taking 2 away, and now I have how many blocks left? 5. Okay, let's try that one more time. This time I have this many blocks. Okay, so count up my blocks. This time I have 9 blocks, and I want to know what 5 less than 9 would be. What is 5 less? I've got 9. What's 5 less? So same thing. I'm going to figure out 5 less, take those 5 away because less means smaller. And now I have how many blocks left? 4. So 5 less than 9 is 4. Okay, so you have 2 little problems you're going to do a minute on your worksheet that kind of looks like that. Okay, so 3 less than 8 is, so you've got 8. What is 3 less? Same thing here. It says, what is 2 less than 9? You've got 9. What's 2 less? So think about that. And you've got blocks you guys can use. You've got your fingers you can use. You've got a whole mess of strategies that you can use to figure out those 2 problems. And then also we're going to talk about a little story problem today. Okay, so my story problem today for you guys is there are 6 books on the shelf. Okay, so all together there are 6 books on my shelf. On Monday, so I'm going to put an M for Monday. Okay, on Monday I take away 2 of those books. Okay, so 2 books got taken away on Monday. Some more books got taken away on Tuesday, but I'm going to put a question mark there because I don't know how many were taken away on Tuesday. And then that left me with one book left. Okay, so there's 1 book left. So I had 6 books all together on that shelf. On Tuesday, I took away 2 books, so I drew my picture for 2. On Tuesday, I don't know how many I took away, but then I had 1 book left. Okay? So I had 6 books total. Maybe even I'll change mine 6 to 6 little circles. I'm going to use that strategy today. I'm going to use Abby's strategy and draw my little dots. Okay? So 2 got taken away on Monday. I don't know how many Tuesday, but then 1 was left. So how many were taken away on Tuesday? Well, there's that answer right there. So how many did I got taken away on Tuesday? That would be 3. So if I go back and I check my answer, I had 6 books I know on the shelf altogether. 2 were taken away on Monday, 1, 2. 1 was left, that makes 3 books, 4, 5, 6. So 6 books were taken away on Tuesday. Okay, let's try one more problem like that. Okay, I have this time 5 books on my shelf. Okay. And on Monday, and I'm going to do my M for Monday, I took 1 book away. Okay. On Tuesday, I don't know how many books I took away, but I took away some. That's what you need to figure out. And that left me with 2 books on my shelf. How many books did I take away on Tuesday? Well, the answer is 2 because I had 2 left up on top. So I left 2 books on Tuesday. So see how pictures can really help us think about what that problem was about. Because I had 5 books total. Monday I took away 1. I don't know how many it was on Tuesday, but I know I had 2 left. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 books total. Okay, so you're going to have a little problem that you have to work something similar to that down at the bottom of your page. Okay, so you just watched your video. Now you have this quick sheet to do at your desk. Okay, so your first problem, 3 less than 8 is, figure out what that answer is. And then what is 2 less than 9? If you have 9, what's 2 less? And figure out what your answer is going to be there. And then here's your problem that's something similar. And they already drew boxes for you, so you can kind of use those as your picture and then help you figure it out. And you can even draw a picture kind of similar to mine too to help you out. Okay, so there were 8 boxes on the shelf. There's my 8 boxes. 3 of those boxes were taken away on Monday, so I could even cross those 3 out. Some boxes were taken away on Tuesday, but I don't know how many. And then 3 boxes were left. So how many boxes were taken away on Tuesday is your question. Okay, so there's 8 boxes on the shelf. 3 were taken away on Monday. Some were taken away on Tuesday. I don't know how many though. And that left me with 3 boxes still on the shelf. You need to figure out how many were taken away on Tuesday. Okay, once you finish that, just leave it right on your desk, and then you can choose something off the shelf from your room 2 in math.